In the description of my song tutorial videos you can download the tabs. The tab is a simple way to read the notes you have to play on the guitar, especially after you've watched this video. A guitar tab has 6 horizontal lines and each line represents a string of the guitar. Thinnest string is the top line of the tab and the thickest string is the bottom line of the tab. When I look at the guitar while playing, the thickest string is the closest to my eye. So the E, the A, the D, the G, the B and the E string. The numbers in the tab tell you which fret to play a note. A fret is an inlaid metal in the neck of the guitar. You have to press the string just before the fret. 1 is just before the first fret, 2 before the second fret, 3 before the third fret, etc. When there's a 1 on the top line of the tab, you have to press the string just before the first fret and pick the thin E string. When the 1 is 1 line down, you have to press the B string just before the first fret and pick the B string. So in this tab, 3rd fret on the thinnest E string, the 4th fret on the B string, the 3rd fret on the G string and the 1st fret on the G string. The rhythm is not included in most of the tabs, so you have to listen carefully to the song to get it right. You've only seen fretted notes till now, but when you have to play an open string, there's a 0 on the line of the tab. Sometimes there are multiple numbers underneath a number on the tab line. This means that you have to place more fingers and play more strings at the same time. Sometimes this is a chord, like this one. The bottom line is empty, so we don't have to play the E string. An open A string, the 2nd fret of the D string, the 2nd fret of the G string, the 1st fret on the B string and an open E string. I hope you've learned something from this video. See you in the next video.